Well, he's got a hook coming out of his ass. Good morning, everybody. How y'all doing? I better not do that. Good morning, boys and girls. Good, crispy, cold, nipply kind of morning. Today I'm back here on Shoals Lake. See if I can spin around, get a little bit of shot of that. Last time I was here, the water was really, really high. I'm talking, it was so high, I don't know if you can see in the background there the sign for the boat ramp here. Way, way, way up there past my truck. The water was, that sign was underwater last time I was here. So it's really down now. You see that creek bed's dried up pretty much up there. Lots of mud along the bank here. So I don't know what's gonna happen. But it is cold this morning. Nice warm coffee helps a lot. So, don't know what else to say about it. I'm gonna jump out there and see what I can find this morning. We'll see you guys on the water. Let's get fishing. Alright, on the water. I hope that's getting a good shot there. It's just beautiful. Fog rolling across the water like that, the sun coming up. This is a big part of the reason I'm out here. Not just to catch fish. Catching fish is just a bonus. I just love being out here with the nature. Never would have seen some of the beautiful things that I've seen if I hadn't been out here on the water early in the mornings. Time to catch some fish. Alright, got one first cast. Nice. Oh, he's a good one too. Oh yeah. Yes. That's a good way to start the morning there, people. Look at that. I like it. First cast, I'm in about 2 feet of water. Threw it in beside a little brush pile. And he choked it. Alright. Stick him back in the water for a second while I get situated and all that good stuff. Alright. He is right at, just almost touching 18 inches. 17 3/4, we'll call it. Maybe 2.5, 3 pounds, I'm guessing. Nice little fish. First cast of the morning, right there by that little brush pile. On a little jig with a crawdad trailer. So we'll let this guy go. See you later, buddy. Alright, good way to start the morning. I like it. Alright, so I caught that guy on this green pumpkin jig here with a little crawl looking trailer. I forget what brand that is right now, but I'm thinking with all this mud that anything crawl looking is gonna do well crawling through that mud. Anyway, yeah, first cast on that one, so keep trying it. Another one, he's a little guy, but he's not super little. Little guy. Always get a picture or it didn't happen. Alright. Back in the water, little dude. Got him. Oh yeah. Oh, he threw it. Damn. That was a nice one. That was at least 3 pounds. He jumped out of the water and threw it. Oh. Alright, I took a little break, got me a snack, put some of my overkill clothing back in the truck. And I'm gonna keep hitting these little stick ups. I'm just rotating around these little laydowns and stick ups that are out in the middle of this water. So far I've been doing pretty good. This water is only about 2 feet deep, so kind of surprised, and it's really muddy. So anyway, keep trying out this old jig here. It's the only thing that's caught anything so far. Kind of sick. I missed that big one got off earlier. I'm gonna go back to that same spot and try him again in a bit after his lip heals up a little bit. Not so sore. I got a good one. Yeah. Yeah, I think this is a good one. Don't jump off. Oh, please don't jump off. Oh, come on. Ah. Woo. Yeah. All right. Yep. Green pumpkin jig with the crawdad trailer. Yes, that's the one I've been waiting for. All right. Not a monster, but a really good fish. All right. Awesome. I made today worth it. That's the biggest one of the day, and it's been several hours since I caught one. I'm gonna give that one, I got scales, but I'm not gonna get them out. I'm gonna give it 3.5, maybe 4, 3.5. I don't know. Maybe I should weigh it. Nah. Let's let her go. Let her go back. There we go, big one. See ya. Yes. Finally, after a long dry spell. I've been fishing quite a few times since my last video, but I haven't caught anything, so I haven't had anything worth making a video out of, so it feels good to start catching them again. I saw him jump out of the water eating those shad. Cast it right on top of him.
That is awesome. That's a good fish.
Yeah. Come on, buddy. It's about the same as that last one I caught, I think.
Hell yeah.
Yes. Yeah, it's about almost the same size. Maybe a little smaller. He's got a hook coming out of his ass.
Does he really?
Yep. Look at that. That is a hook. Huh?
I thought he broke one off before.
Yep, it's coming out of his ass.
You gonna be able to get it out?
I'm gonna try. Hell yeah, that worked out just right. That was on this little mini swim bait too. Yep. That was awesome.
That is awesome. All your shots like that kind of thing,
Mm-hmm.
always feels good. You think that was the same one?
Yeah, I do. Yep. I need to get him back in the water. I'm not gonna, well, let me see if I can get that hook out. Yeah, I'm not gonna be able to get it out without hurting him internally. I'm just gonna let him naturally pass it on through. Yep. All right, buddy. Good job. He's a little smaller than that last one I caught. Yeah. Yeah, well, compared to what y'all been using, I don't know if you call that a swim bait or not, but it's a small swim bait. Micro. All right, got another one. Oh, there you go, buddy. Ah. Woo-hoo. Yeah. He's quite a bit smaller. There we go. That's a nice little fish. The jig is paying off today. That's the money maker today right there. Hair's all messed up, man. I've had that same trailer on all day too. Caught every one of those fish on it, except for that swim bait fish. that's it for today. All in all, not a bad day. Caught quite a few decent fish. No monsters, but that's typical for me. But anyway, had a great time. Beautiful lake, waters were down really low. We did fairly decent. The green pumpkin jig with the crawdad trailer, that seems to do it every time for me. When nothing else works, that gets them in the boat. So anyway, I caught 6 or 8 decent fish, and was happy to break that dry streak I was going through, because haven't made a video in a while because haven't had anything worth making a video out of. Haven't caught any fish. So hopefully I got some good footage of the ones I caught today. I hope so. I'm thinking I may have recorded over some of it on accident. Yeah. So we'll see. If I didn't get it, you won't be seeing this video anyway. So alright, that's it. Thanks for watching. Everybody get fishing.